Hello my friends, welcome again. I have created this contact form with Laravel and Livewire, and now I want to create this with Laravel and Vue.js. Here is our application with Laravel and Livewire, and I'm going to create new one for the Laravel Vue.js. So Laravel and new, and I'm going to contact view. I'm going to name it contact view, this one, and this is going to create new Laravel application in the contact view-view directory. And I have opened this in the PHP Storm because I want to copy the form and the tiling CSS CDN from here. Okay, now the application is ready, and CD in the contact view. Okay, now first we need to install the Vue.js, and we need to run the composer require Laravel UI/UI. Okay, and after that we need to run the PHP artisan UI view and npm install and npm run dev. Okay, I'm going to open that in the VS Code. And here we have the Vue.js inside the resources JS app.js. We have the Vue.js here, and we register the component, the example component globally. In the components we have this example components, and we register here. Okay, and we create a new const app and run this new view in the element with ID app. So save this one, and I'm going to copy the talent CDN first. Copy from here, open the VS Code and open the welcome blade. Okay, remove and add here the talent CDN. If I open the contact dash view, here we have the Laravel application, but I'm going to remove all that div here, and I'm going to add a div with a class container and makes auto. Okay, and we need to add the ID app, and down there we need to add the script here. Source is going to be mix JS and /app.js. Close this one, and add here the component we register globally. So example component, save this one. I'm going to open the terminal here, and I'm going to run npm run watch, and it's going to watch for what changes we made in the JS, and it's going to compile the Laravel mix here. It's going to run this Laravel mix. Okay, so go to the browser and refresh, and now we have the example component. Okay, in the components, in the JS components, I'm going to create a new file, and I'm going to call it contact form dot view, and I'm going to copy what we have in the contact form Livewire. So select all, copy from here, and add inside the template here. Okay, now we need to make some changes. Here we have a social, so we don't need this blade stuff here. This is going to be hard-coded mess size. Okay, send for now. Remove this end if and the error, and the error here, and the error here, and I think we are okay. So save this one, and in the app.js we can create a new, we can add new component here, or just remove this, and I'm going to add our contact form, and component is contact form. Save this, and in the welcome blade now remove this example, and we are going to add our contact form. Okay, and save this. Go to the browser, refresh, and why we don't have any, we have an error. Contact form in the app.js. We need to add this contact form. Okay, refresh again, and now we have the contact form. Okay, now in the contact form.view we have this name, email, and message state. I'm going to create new here, so data, and it's going to return a form with name, an empty string, email, an empty string, and message, an empty string. Okay, now come here, and when we have a wire model, we need to add v model, because we are working with Vue. So v dash model, and we need to add the form before form dot and name and email and message. Okay, and when we have the form, we have this wire submit, but we need to add on submit, and copy this one now and create a new method here. After the data, I'm going to create methods and create that method here, and it's going to work with axios.post, and it's going to send the post to the /API/ send contact, and this route is not yet registered. We are going to register now, and we are going to add the data here, and the name is going to be this dot form dot name, and the email is going to be this dot form dot email. Okay, and message is going to be this dot form dot message. And then, so if we have a successfully response. We are going to console.log for now, and that response. Okay, otherwise we are going to catch the error, and it's going to do the same, just console.log that error, and save and open the API routes, and we need to add the route here. So route post, and we call it a send contact. Send contact, and sorry, we need to create a controller for that. Let's say artisan make controller and contact controller, and I'm going to open that controller here, or for now just add here. So contact controller class, and the method is going to be send. Okay, make sure you import that controller here and save, and now open that controller. So contact controller send method. We don't expect anything here. Yeah, we need to add the request. We expect the name, email, and message. And if you go here and search for the contact form livewire class here, I'm going to copy this one and add it here. Okay, but we don't have this is going to be request. Okay, and we don't have this contact mail, and we need to create this one. So artisan make mail contact mail. Okay, and go here and open that contact mail, because we are going to make the same thing. Just copy from here what we have here and add it there. Okay, open the contact mail here now, and add it what we have. Yeah, and we need to add to create this contact view. First save this one, and in the views we need to create new file, contact.blade.php. Okay, and come here and open that contact blade.php, copy from here and add it here, save, close this one, and okay, and we need to import the mail here and the contact mail. So import that and save for now. Okay, I'm going to refresh and also open the email, the mytrap.io here. We don't have any email for now. Okay, I'm going to see what we have here. Just test, and we need that test.conf here, sorry. Send, and we have an error. Okay, we have an error because we don't add the mytrap.io here, so we need to go to .env and copy this from here and come here and now open the .env and add it here. Okay, save and refresh now and send. So test.com. Okay, send, and we have a success message. Yeah, if you go here and we have the email. Okay, I'm going to clean this up, and in the next video I'm going to show and hide this message and clear the form. For this video we are okay, so see you in the next video.